In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create surveys GoHighLevel CSS. We'll walk through creating a new survey in GoHighLevel, keeping it simple, clear, and ready for styling later. Start by signing into your GoHighLevel account and heading to your main dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct workspace for the brand or location you want to use, since surveys live inside the location you're currently viewing. On the left-hand sidebar, open the Sites section. Inside Sites, choose Surveys. This is the home for all your survey projects, where you can manage existing surveys and build new ones. To begin a fresh one, click Add Survey. This opens the setup screen where you choose how you want to start. You'll see two primary options: start from scratch and from templates. Templates can speed things up if you already have a structure in mind, while starting from scratch gives you full control from the first question. For this walkthrough, select Start from Scratch so you can see every step of the builder and understand how each piece fits together. After choosing Start from Scratch, click Create to open the Survey Builder. You're now in the editing canvas where your survey will take shape. Look for the Add Elements button and click it. This reveals the Elements panel, which is where you'll find all the building blocks for your survey. On the left side, you'll see the objects you can add. These commonly include headings for section titles or instructions, short and long text inputs for open-ended responses, email and phone fields for contact details, multiple choice or checkbox questions for quick selections, drop-downs for space-saving lists, ratings or scales for satisfaction scoring, date pickers for scheduling related responses, and consent or agreement checkboxes for compliance. As you plan your survey, think about what data you actually need and choose the simplest element that collects it accurately. Clear labels, brief helper text, and logical ordering go a long way toward higher completion rates. Keep questions concise and focused, and avoid asking for sensitive information you don't truly need. If you require certain answers, consider marking those fields as required, but use that sparingly to reduce friction. Group related questions together with short headings to make the flow easy to follow. You can refine the look later, but establishing a clean structure now will save time. That's the core process. Navigate to Surveys, add a new survey, choose Start from Scratch, click Create, open Add Elements, and review the elements available on the left. Once your structure is set, you can adjust design choices and, if needed, apply custom CSS within your GoHighLevel styling options to match your brand while maintaining readability and accessibility.